Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a super fun and easy way to turn your own photo into a cool emoji style figure using the Dream Face app. And the best part, it's totally free to try, so let's jump right in. First, if you don't already have Dream Face, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. And once it's installed, just open it up and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface actually offers a free plan, so you will get a weekly credits plus some daily limits that let you generate images or videos without paying. It's perfect for casual use. Next, after you have logged in, you will be on the home page like this. And from here, just tap on Magic Effects. This is where you will find all the creative tools inside a dream face, like this. And now just scroll down to the effects until you see the one that called emoji figure. This one, just tap on it. This is the effect that lets you turn a normal photo into a fun animated emoji style character. Next, just choose your photos. Just try picking a clear photos where your face is easy to see, cause that will give you the best result. And after that, just click on confirm, like this. And when you're done, just click on generate. And like this, in just a few seconds, you have got your very own custom emoji figures like this. And I think it's super cute. And okay, that's it. It's really that simple. In just a few steps, you can create a fun emoji styles character of yourself. It's totally free with Dreamfit. Okay, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.